That motion detector is nice. Let's get this opened up. Packaging is really solid. A lot more so than that carburetor I ordered, and it came in a bread bag. So I think I have it upside down. There we go. Alright. That is a fancy looking panel. Some destructions. We might look at those. I don't know. Here is the light. Feels pretty solid. Got a nice little bracket for mounting. Lots of LEDs. Our motion indicator and a little charging indicator. Should we see if it works? It works. 3/4 charge. Whoa. Okay, that got bright. Let's push and hold. Okay, there we go. That usually turns things off. What else do we get? Some remote controlage. Better tape that to one of these bars around here or I'll lose it. More mounting hardware. And probably a bracket for the panel, I'm guessing. So I've got to figure out where I'm going to install this, and we will figure out how this is going to work. I'm actually going to do something I don't usually do. I'm going to take a few minutes and read over the manual and make sure we get this right, and at least I know how to run the thing. So give me a minute and we'll get back. So there it is under the carport. So like I said before, as you come through this gate, you'll have light. The only problem I have is now if you come through the other side, you won't have light. All right, here we go. Let's kind of walk around this corner, see how things are working out. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, and there we go. Got brighter. Over here, take garbage out. Try out the one back here. Before, this side would be completely dark at this point, which it's just got enough light to walk now from that other one. Oh, and you can already see the other one's on in its dim mode. Whoa, and I'm that far away. I'm quite a ways away. And it got bright. That is awesome. This is cool. No more blind walking on my side yard.